Today we are going to be learning more about proving figures are congruent using rigid motions. So here the task at hand says find a sequence of rigid motions that maps one figure to the other. Give coordinate notation for the transformations you use. So we basically need to show how we could get this shape to here. The first thing we're going to do is reflect. We're going to reflect D, E, F, G, H across the y-axis. So let's start counting. First, we already see that the G is right on the line, so there's the first dot. And same with the E. And now the F, and since we're counting by twos, 2, 4. Now on the other side, 2, 4. There's the other dot. Connect here. And now we do with H and D. And H is 2, 4, 6, 8. So same on the other side. 2, 4, 6, 8. Same with D. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. And draw the lines. And now we've reflected it. Now we have to bring the shape down. So now let's count. From the letter E, it goes 2, 4, 6, 8. There's a dot. And from letter G, 2, 4, 6, 8. There's the other dot. I should use a different color so we can separate it. And now, so there's the 2 dots. And here's the line. And now from the letter F, 2, 4, 6, 8. There's the line. And now for letter G, 2, 4, 6, 8. There's the other one. Line here. They're all basically going to be 8 squares down. The last one here is the letter D, 2, 4, 6, 8. And now it's exactly where the shape PQRST is. Now let's go over the steps we just did. The first step was reflect across the y-axis, which we did right here. Here's the y-axis, and then we reflect it. Then we translate by moving down by 8, just like how we did here. Now let's write the equation. The equation for the coordinate notation is negative x comma y because we translated over the y-axis. When you translate over the y-axis, the y stays the same and the symbol for the x changes. So it went from positive to negative. And the equation for the coordinate translation is x comma y minus 8. It's minus 8 because when after we reflected this shape, we moved down by 8. So because we moved down, it automatically is negative. And we went down by 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. So let's see if we did what we were supposed to do. Find a sequence of rigid motions that maps one figure to the other, which we did in our last slide. And then give coordinate notation for the transformations you use, which we did right here. So I hope this video helped.